When booking a movie ticket online, the process seems straightforward: select a showtime, choose seats, pay, and receive a ticket. But behind this seamless experience is a structured database that manages movies, customers, screens, and tickets. Designing such a system requires clarity, and one of the most effective tools for this task is the ER diagram, also known as the Entity Relationship Diagram. An ER diagram visually represents the entities within a system, their attributes, and the relationships that connect them. In a movie system, entities might include movie, customer, show, screen, and ticket. Attributes such as movie ID, title, release date, customer name, and ticket number define each entity, while relationships describe how they interact, for instance, which customer buys which ticket, or which movie is scheduled on a particular screen. By organizing this information graphically, ER diagrams help developers and analysts ensure a logical, efficient database structure. Creating such diagrams manually can be time-consuming, but using a professional diagramming tool speeds up the process and enhances accuracy. EdrawMax is particularly effective here, offering pre-made ER diagram templates and a wide range of entity and relationship shapes. This way, attention can be focused on the system's logic rather than on formatting. Let's walk through the steps of creating an ER diagram for a movie system in EdrawMax. The process begins with starting a new drawing. After opening EdrawMax, select New and then Blank Drawing. This provides a clean workspace where the database structure can be built step by step. Next, place and style the entity boxes. Drag entities like movie, customer, show, screen, and ticket onto the canvas. Inside each entity, add text boxes for attributes, such as movie ID, title, and release date for the movie entity. Distinct colors can be applied to each box to make them stand out, and consistent styling ensures the diagram looks neat and professional. With the entities in place, enter all the necessary attributes. For customer, this might include customer ID, name, and email. For ticket, add ticket ID, seat number, and price. Keeping the attributes organized inside each entity helps ensure the diagram remains easy to read and interpret. Now define the relationships between entities. In EdrawMax, connectors can be used to show one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many relationships. For example, a movie can have many shows, a customer can buy multiple tickets, and each ticket corresponds to a specific show and screen. Drawing these connections makes the workflow of the movie system visible at a glance. Once relationships are defined, labeling comes next. Every entity, attribute, and relationship should be clearly named. For instance, purchases can describe the connection between customer and ticket, while scheduled on can describe the link between show and screen. Accurate labeling ensures the diagram communicates effectively even without additional explanation. Styling finalizes the design. Align elements evenly, adjust spacing, and apply consistent colors to improve clarity. Rounded corners and clean lines help the diagram look polished and presentation ready. A well-styled diagram makes it easier to share with team members, stakeholders, or students. Finally, export the diagram. EdrawMax allows exporting in multiple formats, but a JPG or PNG is often the most convenient for sharing in reports, documentation, or slide presentations. This makes the ER diagram a practical tool for collaboration and communication. By following these steps, an ER diagram for a movie system can be created quickly and clearly. With EdrawMax's templates and styling features, what starts as a blank canvas turns into a professional database model in just a few minutes. Visible thinking, efficient expression. Start designing your movie system database today with EdrawMax.